Buletten egg fried rice is what we are making today. Welcome to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash. You can call me the food goddess. Now in this pan, I'm adding in about 50 grams of unsalted butter and leave it to melt. Now once it is melted, I'll add in some eggs and then season it with a little salt. I am going to be scrambling the eggs and fry it so that it is well fried. Once the eggs are well fried, I'm going to take everything out from the pan and set it aside. Once the eggs have been taken out, in the pan I'm adding in some chopped onions and I'm going to fry this till it is a little translucent, let's say 30 to 40 seconds. Once the onions are translucent, I'll add in some diced tomatoes, and since I want it a little bit spicy, I'll add in some chopped pepper and fry this for at least 2 minutes. So once I'm sure of it, I add in my cooked rice, and this rice is parboiled rice. To it, I'll add in some dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Now time to mix everything, and I am going to mix this till it is well uniform. So if you're hearing my voice and you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel. I post a lot of distinct food content on this channel. So if you need a little bit of food inspiration, I'll be very much glad if you subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Now time to add in our buletten. Buletten is simply minced meatballs. I'll then mix everything together. Now this part is totally optional, but I love to add in a little bit of paprika powder and then cumin powder. Time to mix everything for everything to be well combined. So I'll add in some paprika and then add back the eggs. I'm going to mix everything till it is well mixed. Once everything has been combined very well, I'll taste for salt and adjust it. So I'm going to add in a little garlic powder, and you know I so much love garlic powder in my food. Now I add it to it and mix it very well. So for some garnishing, I add in some dried parsley, but you can use spring onions at this point. Now mix everything and it's all ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.